What's going on, YouTube? This is Big Pencil coming at you again with a nut. It is actually Sunday afternoon. It is 5:30. Just got done shooting birds over there at my buddy's place. And we shot birds on our field yesterday. And I didn't get any video of that because it was the most miserablest hunt I have ever been on in all my life hunting birds. I got my limit, but my God, it was freezing cold. It was, it was 40 degrees the whole day, but the wind, and we were soaking wet because it was raining all day. We hunted from 1 to 4:30, and it was raining the whole dang time we was out there. Cold, wet, the wind was howling, 20-25 mile-an-hour winds the whole time. So, I just didn't mess with the camera, didn't have it on me. They had a little footage of the dog drive. I'm gonna throw that in there too with this video. And had a couple chases come real close. Had a couple does I seen, but didn't get a shot at nothing. But this hunt here, that was probably the best dove hunt that I've been on in a long time. I got my limit within about 30 minutes. And I'm telling you, the birds was coming in so dang close that I could hit them with a tennis racket. A lot of them, if I'd have been shooting birds on the ground, I'd have killed my limit in 5 minutes. They would come, land, and it was right there next to a pivot. And I didn't want to shoot the pivot, and I didn't want to shoot the chicken houses. So I would wait for the bird to clear both of them, and then I'd shoot. And I killed the birds pretty quick. But boy, some of them, they was coming in so dang close to that mojo, I had the mojo right underneath the dang pivot. And boy, they was flooding into that dang field. Nothing but old cornfield is all it is. And them migratory birds done come from up north and come down to these, down south, and they was flooding in there. And boy, that was an outstanding shoot. But I missed most of the hunt with the camera because I thought I had it on, but I didn't. That was just me not paying attention. I should have looked at it before the shooting even started. So, whatever footage I got, I'll put it in. But, it is what it is. Stand by. We're going to bring you a hunt. Bang dog. I ain't had the camera on the whole time. Hell, I thought I cut it on. I must have cut it back off and thought I cut it on. I caught that bitch dead just as he was about to hit that pivot.
Well, I tell you what. All right, Ryan, got two coming up behind. Go ahead and shoot now.
That's you. What you gonna do, bird? You want some candy? I got some popsicles down in the cellar.
Well, we got two out here in the field.
I got one sitting on the pivot right above the mojo, and he won't go nowhere.
Right to the ground.
All right, David, 4 of them. I ain't want to shoot him that close. I took a step and a half to pick him up. Why you want to get so close? I can't shoot you that close.
Get up, bird.
There you go, D. Kill him. All right, David, behind you, behind you, behind you. Oh yeah, they're that close, you got to put it right on them just about. All right, D. I shot behind that bird. Dang it, they're too damn close. Hell, I done missed 4 or 5 in a row now because the damn thing's just too close.
I'm gonna sit on this side then.
All right, you get that one.
Shit. He curved on your side. You. Hell, if I'd have been in my spot, I could have beat that bit for the gun.
Yeah, you could have hit him with the gun barrel.
My God, my God. He's so far out. You know what? God bless it.
It helps if you put...
Whoa. Somebody's got me so wound up tight.
I hit that bird, but he didn't go down.
Damn, 3 of them right there in front of us. Never mind, that's more than 3.
I missed. Bitch.
You took the one that I was going to shoot at.
Oh, 2 more coming right here. I seen feathers. Did you get one of them?